Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can customize your name or your channel name on your Android device. Now, this method is applicable to any Android device. It can be a Samsung, it can be Huawei, or it can be any Android device. So let's start the video and see how we can do that. But before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. So all you need to do is go into the Play Store and download the application Smart Navigation Bar. Now you might find a lot of applications, but you can see this one is paid. But you need to choose the first one, Navbar Slideshow. So this is the application by Yogesh Dama. Just click to install. Once you finish installing, you can just click on Open. You need to give the permission of System Overlay. Click on OK. Allow permission. Also, you need to give the permission for the storage. So click over here. OK. Allow. So now you are greeted with this Smart Navbar Free menu. Now, first thing you need to do is just turn on the Smart Navbar Free. Click over here. So you can see these are the options. You can have sequence, random, reverse. You can even choose your own photo from the gallery. But we are more concerned into putting your channel name or your own name in the navigation bar. So click on the Navbar Text Slideshow. By default, it's turned off. You can turn it on. Now in the text notes, you need to type what exactly you want in your navbar. You can see this is showing add your text. Click over here and for example, I'll put my channel name, which is Tech786. Click on add. Now in the second line, I will choose the description, for example, iOS and Android. Click on add. So these are the two texts which I have chosen. Tech76 as the main text, and the second line I have chosen iOS and Android. After doing so, you can just close it. There will be some ads pop up because it's not a paid application, it's a free application. Now you can go to the animation. So you can see this is how your text is gonna look like. Now it's in random setting. You can choose linear. You can choose flash, so it's gonna flash your name and the description. Actually, I kind of like it, but there are a bunch of options. You can choose pulse, you can choose rubber band. As I said earlier that this is not a paid application, so there will be a lot of ads. But if you buy the paid version of this application, which you don't need to do actually, you can remove the ads, there will be no ads and you'll get more options. So I choose flash over here. I think this looks kind of cool and I just close it. So you can see over here, the text is flashing. Yeah. Now I can increase the size of the text because it looks quite small. So you can just increase the size. Yeah. I think this looks quite good. And also the flash looks nice and neat. So now the text is in center, but you can change the text position to left or right also. Also, you can change the animation speed. So if you make it a little bit faster, the animation will be more faster, but definitely it's gonna take some of your battery life. See, the animations are more quicker now. So that's all. I mean, you have done all your basic settings. Now you can come out of the application. And this is how it's gonna look like. Looks quite cool actually. So this is something really cool and you can only do it in your Android device. You can put anyone's name over here, so it will keep flashing on your home screen, which kind of looks cool. So that's all for this video, guys. It's a very simple trick. Just download the application and do the basic settings and enjoy your new home screen. Thank you for watching and see you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.